So opposite her accommodation at Holkham is Holkham Beach. And it's also a National Nature Reserve. Deborah appears to be walking the wrong way. Look at me, I do love a dune. I love dune, I love a dune. Bugger the wall colour. Great for the calves. Went to Sandringham this morning. Walked a lot. Then drove about 2.5 hours along the A40 149 coastal road all the way to Munsley, 70 miles away. To be honest, didn't think much of it, to be honest. That's spectacular. Lovely beaches. I'm sure at different times of year it'd be nice places to come and enjoy as a normal beach holiday, but still a little cold. Seeing as I'm walking around here with a woolly hat on and a very thick coat. But I do love a dune. Oh, Deborah's gone. Well, she's not walking to the sea. I've got to go all the way back there. I'll get to the sea and then I'll pick her up on the way back.